Well, new at noon, the 21-year-old accused of shooting 4 college students on the Clark Atlanta University campus is expected to go before a judge. CBS 46's Daniel Wilkerson is live outside the Fulton County Jail. And Daniel, you are just out of court, is that right?
Karen, I'm just out of court, and a judge has just denied Isaiah Williams' bond, but his attorneys are arguing that that should not have been the case. They are arguing that the charges are wrong, that the warrants are wrong, that their client does not have a past criminal record. I want to go ahead and bring in his attorneys. Now, you said that basically the pretrial information was wrong, right?
Correct. The pretrial information is absolutely wrong in a number of critical respects. First, they had the wrong Social Security number, and therefore they had, because of the wrong Social Security number, they had a criminal history for this young man who's got absolutely no criminal history. Secondly, they were wrong about the nature of the offenses and the nature of whether or not he's entitled to a bond for the offenses for which he's charged. He is charged with, because of the incorrect information, he's charged with possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. Absolutely untrue. Absolutely not the case. He's never been in trouble. Every one of these charges is bondable, so that information is incorrect. And it was our legal position in front of the judge that none of the warrants, with one exception, were valid as a matter of law.
So since you're saying that they were bondable, you're saying since the judge has now denied bond, that you're going to argue what later and possibly try to get the charges denied or dismissed?
Yes. The charges dismissed if we get to a preliminary hearing for one thing. Secondly, it now goes to a different judge. And the problem with that is, under the procedures in Fulton County, it takes at least a week and a half to get before another judge. So if he's wrongfully denied bond because of incorrect information, he's staying in jail a lot longer than he needs to be. And you know something? That's just wrong.
Sure, we appreciate your time. Okay. I want to go ahead and get you to... Karen, you wanted to chime in on? Did you want to ask a question of the attorney?
Before Bruce Harvey leaves you.
One more time.
So what is next then? What is his plan, and how does he think this incorrect information was actually even given to authorities?
You know, I wish I knew the answer to that. That way I could correct all of the incorrect information that comes through the system. You know, we've got a system, and especially here in Fulton County, where incorrect information comes through the system to people's human beings' detriment all the time. I wish I knew how to correct it. I wish it was corrected. Next step is going to the next judge and saying, hey, judge, it was incorrect what happened before. We're here to correct that. Let's do the right thing and go forward.
We appreciate your time. We will, of course, have a lot more ahead coming up on at 4 o'clock. But for now, as you heard, the judge has denied Isaiah Williams' bond. You can catch more on your free CBS 46 mobile app. We're live outside the Fulton County Jail. Daniel Wilkerson, CBS 46 News.